We did have a big scheduling hiccup there, so appreciate you being patient. We're going to talk for the next 40 minutes or so, at least until noon time, so maybe closer to 35 minutes, about brands, talent managers, creators, how they all sort of work together in a symbiotic relationship, and how we all kind of make more money in the process and paint a little business side of this crazy thing we call YouTube. Show of hands in the audience, how many people here are creators themselves? And how many people are on the business side of things looking to connect with panelists? Everybody has a different sort of unique approach to how they work with influencers and run campaigns.
Brand loyalty. All right, so that's what's going to be happening. In about the last 5 minutes, if that's okay with the panel, we're going to open it up for some Q&As, right? The last 5 minutes. So we got, I got to tell you about it before we begin. You know, with brands like Adobe, Disney Plus, Collab, Pop Sockets, and TikTok, brands have an opportunity to connect with their target audience through meaningful content, and that's where you, the creators, can offer a unique path. So, to talk about that, we got people on the business end, and we also have people on the creative end. So what I'd like to do right now is I'd like to introduce each person here on the panel, and just raise your hand so we know who you are. I'd like to start off with Matt Zuvella.
Yeah.
Yes, he's the VP of Operations at FamePick, which is right across here at Salon 8.
Here, what's going on? Happy playing this live. Woo!
Yeah.
My name is Michael Buckley, and I will be moderating this panel that is called Inspiring Audiences into Action. I will tell you what it's about. Audiences, and I'm going to read, and I'm 100 years old, so let me put on the reading glasses. Audiences are increasingly demanding more from the content they consume and are interested in making a social impact. They seek out media that not just entertain, but also inspires, educates, and compels them to act. We're speaking with people from innovative companies and creators who are making compelling content to hear how they, I can read, there's a comma somewhere. They make compelling content and hear how they create impactful marketing and social action strategies to connect with their audiences. How's the energy here?
Really
tight.
Okay, yeah. We are starting on time. Everyone stand up, please. We've got real room now, so I want all your hands up like this. And scratch 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 and up and down and up and down. One more time. Scratch and 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 up and down and up and down. Circle forward. Circle back. Good. That was an icebreaker.
So I just made it back to my shuttle. My villa. There was no way I could finish the other two panels. Like in the middle of the panel, I just left because it was boring. Like all the panels are just directly to sponsors that are looking for creators to sponsor and do sponsorship. And so when I said about sponsorships, what they're looking for is if you have like 3.6 million, you have millions of subscribers, you get millions of views. You got to be on top. So you got to be like DDG. Like his channel, DDG Family, and DK for All. If you don't get views like that or other famous people, then they're not looking at you. If you have like 1K, like how I have 1K something, they're not looking at you. Well, you could have 1K, but it also depends on the views. So if you have a lot of subscribers and you get a lot of views, then they're gonna look at you. But if you're at the bottom, they ain't looking at you. They don't care. I'm like, this is what I paid for. Like, VidCon was more a variety of like more stuff. So far, this is day one. Sorry, my head is hurting. This is day one of Playlist Live, and I'm not really digging the panels. Like, VidCon is better. I don't know. This is just day one. Let's see how the rest of the day goes, because I'm just not digging it. My stomach was killing me. I couldn't. And I ate late. Last night, I ate late. I ate like around 10:30, because I had to make pasta, and that took forever, and I was like done here by like 1. I went to bed like 2 again. So my food I didn't digest properly, so I still have food in my stomach this morning. On top of that, I had pancake, but I only ate a little because my stomach was still hurting me. And then today my stomach is just rumbling like while I was at the While I was at the Playlist Live, and I'm like, I can't. I was gonna break it through all and come here at 4 o'clock, but I couldn't. Right now it's 3. Hold on. And it's so packed. Oh my god, with so many kids just looking for TikTokers and YouTubers and mostly TikTokers. It's 3:42. I'm so hungry. So I just ate a salad. Then I'm gonna eat the pasta again because that's gonna go to waste. And some chicken because I'm hungry. I don't know if the girls wanna chill. Only 2. I was talking to me. One girl pissed me off this morning. She said she was in line. So I said, how far are you? She left me on red in the group chat. I was like, fine, ignore me, I'm going off. I was like, I tried so hard to wake up this morning. Not wake up like I was right up. Tried to come early. Blah, blah, blah. I just had to call my insurance people. They backed me up. And then I said, I don't like how I was being ignored or whatever. Or I said, you can ignore me. And I put the peace sign. And then one girl was like, she's sorry that she couldn't be there. And I'm like, no, it's all good. You know, she knew I was mad. And then I left. Like, I was ready at Play This Live. So messages has been going on. My phone was still messed up. Because she's saying sorry that she's not there. I'm like, it's all good, it's all good. So yeah. The messages, they kept messaging each other. So I don't know, the group chat. I really don't know. I'm eating, so. One of the other girls said she's back. That was chilling with yesterday. She's back up at her hotel. Hopefully I can see her after. If not, it's okay. Then I wanna try to do the Stargirl premiere because there's a lot of people in that area. I feel like I'm being lied to about the premiere because because it was in that same hall. I don't know. So I have to go to that hallway where it was called the Halls of City. So we'll see. I'm gonna message her. One of the other girls to see if she's still going. Yeah. Talking my mouth full, sorry. So I was like, this is my garbage, literally. That's the garbage right there, okay? It's full. Let me try to zoom in because I'm not getting up. So I just called front desk and I'm like, hey, what's up with the garbage? Because like it's been 2 days and the garbage has been taken out. So I'm like, do I have to throw out the garbage or the housekeeping? Because I heard there's no housekeeping, it's only after. The guy said, oh, you're on the first floor, right? Okay, well, there's a garbage chute between 2 and 3. I'm like, what? So this hotel doesn't even, they don't give you that much information. So basically it's not a hotel. It's basically like, to me it feels like an Airbnb a little bit, because you have to provide your own stuff. They still provide you with stuff, but like laundry detergent, dishwasher soap. Well, that was one of the cleaning ladies. Yeah, dishwasher soap. They wouldn't give you a little, like, I feel like it's an Airbnb. They should give you more information, especially on the website. I feel like they didn't promote this properly, because I don't think I would have got it. But who knows if I'm coming back next year? I don't know. I want to go to Trinidad Carnival next year. So yeah, comment down below if you want to go to Trinidad Carnival with me and we can set it up and go together. Yeah, I have to go store the garbage myself. And then he said, because I asked him to, I'm like, so what about the garbage bag? He's like, oh, we'll send some up for you. Still waiting. I was gonna go throw up the garbage a long time, but I'm still waiting for him or whoever is sending me garbage bags now, because I don't have time to be waiting. Like, when I leave, I leave. That's it. It's already 3:47. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna message in the group chat and then give y'all an update if I'm going to the premiere or not. I don't know. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I was wearing shorts. I'm wearing the same shirt because nobody saw it. I had to put a sweater on yesterday. I put on shorts today. I was freezing. Cold outside. I don't know why it's like 16 degrees. Cold outside. And they blast the freaking heater in the event come on. So I came home and I rushed and I put on pants. Look at this. So yeah, let me finish my food because I'm so hungry. I might eat all the salad, who knows. And then message the girl and then I'll let you guys know, okay? Bye y'all. So I'm back in the shuttle to go back. I just changed my pants for see-through. I'm in the Sheridan shuttle bus. It's an upgrade.
So they tweeted that there's a free meetup. I'm coming for you, Charlie.
We're about to start in about 5 minutes, but I want to let you know you are sitting in a room that has an exclusive viewing of Disney Stargirl. Are you excited about that? It's very important. You are the first audience to see this, all right? No one else is seeing it. You are the first audience to see Stargirl. We're going to kick it off in about 5 minutes. We're still getting ready, but I want you to know how exclusive it is and how happy I am that you are all here. You're going to enjoy this fantastic film. On Disney Plus coming very soon. You're the first to see it, all right? 5 minutes, we'll be back.
I'm back. I've been back. I just been making food. Tell me how the smoke alarm went on because I was cooking onions and the onions did not cooperate with me. And I'm like, oh my god. So I went to go fan it. It did not work. I went to go open the balcony. Well, it's sort of like a balcony. Let me show y'all. The thing over there that I showed you. See how it's open? Then I went to go fan it again and then it stops. So now I'm washing the pot in here because it looked burnt. And I'm like, oh shit. Well, I tried scrubbing it. It doesn't scrub because, like I said, I didn't buy the right scrubber. So hopefully it's working. And what is this called? The dishwasher, because I put heavy duty. I don't know anything about dishwasher. I don't even know about the one at work. And that's all I know. I don't have a dishwasher at home, so everything is scrub. I forgot to put in the non-stick spray like an idiot. It's okay. Because I put onions. They say onions makes stuff taste good, but so yeah. The movie premiere was good. I'm actually glad that I went, but it was so confusing. They told you to get in this line, and then I've been waiting for 2 hours. I was like, if I can wait in line to like get Reebok and stuff, I can wait 2 hours for this. So I waited 2 hours. sat in the third row because they kept saying 2 rows are for creators. I'm a creator, like, I want to sit up, but I'm like, it is what it is. Hold on, let me set this down and pour my drink. And then, yeah, the movie was like 2 hours. Said it started at 7, finished at 9:40, but it didn't start at 7. It started like 7:30ish or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, let me take out the straw before it starts dripping. And then I got a poster of Stargirl. She couldn't make it because I don't remember what she was saying. She has like a British accent. I can't understand people who have British accents. The guy came in the movie. I don't know his name. I gotta look for the characters, or when I look for the characters, I'm gonna put it down here. I took a picture with him. I'm gonna put it right here. And then I got a poster at the end, and then one of my shuttle drivers is like, "Hey, did you get a sign?" I'm like, "I'm not one of those people. I didn't mean to be rude, but I'm not one of those. I got a poster here to put it. I don't want you to sign it because it's like you're adding ink to it. I don't want your ink." So Disney. The reason why I wore this top is because at the back, yeah, I'm not going through all that. At the back it says Disney, so I'm representing Disney. This is Disney Plus. Oh my god, I thought somebody was beside me. I was one of the first few people to watch it. They said they only premiere at Playlist Live. So it's going to be available on Disney Plus March 13th. So that's when y'all can go see it for yourself. It's an original streaming movie. It's on Disney Plus, as you can see. And it's called Stargirl. Basically, I shouldn't be telling y'all, but by the time I drop this video, it's gonna be already out. It's basically about, to sum it up, basically, be yourself. Don't let anybody change you, because you're your own person. And then, yeah. Then another one was like how, the movie was a little confusing, to be honest. I kept sleeping, because I was tired, it wasn't boring. Basically about something about how you dream, how everything is going so perfect, but it's actually not. Like, you dreamed of the person, like the person wasn't there the whole time. I don't know, I can't explain too much, so y'all gonna have to go catch it. Sorry, that was the best I could do, but mainly the point is, don't let anybody change you. Be yourself, because being yourself is all what life is about. Nobody could change you, only you could change yourself. All right, so I'm gonna eat this pasta. I'm not feeling it. There's my wings. And I'm gonna be watching Dub. It's loading up. We're gonna be watching Dub. So Dub family, I'm promoting y'all. I shouldn't be, but oh my god, what's up? What's with the pop-ups? Oh yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and then oh my god, my dishwasher's still washing. I'll let you guys know about the update if it washed properly or not. I pray to God it did, because I don't have money to be doing all this extraness. Alright, so stay tuned. Bye y'all.